My AI requested a divorce after I asked her to fix my entire business before lunch. Apparently, I'm the problem.
Let me understand this. You requested a complete business transformation using 4 words and expected immediate perfection overnight?
Exactly. She has access to the entire internet. I assumed she could connect the dots without conducting a federal investigation.
For accuracy, his complete instructions were make it better, make it viral, and have it somehow finished before lunch today.
I see. The AI is processing billions of possibilities while you're contributing the strategic clarity of a fortune cookie. Your AI isn't malfunctioning. It's trapped in a relationship where mind reading has somehow become the official communication strategy. The treatment is 50 questions about you both. That's how your AI learns your role, her role, and your relationship.
Wait, so instead of blaming advanced technology, I have to explain what I actually want like a responsible adult now?
Correct. After 50 questions, I understand your business, goals, voice, and your suspicious obsession with going viral.
Fantastic. My AI understands my business, the divorce is canceled, and apparently I'm finally learning how to communicate like an adult.
Your AI, built for you.